Hello, dear creatives. Welcome to SimSWOT Online Flower Class. My name is Oluyinka Oduwobi. We are working on this magenta, lovely magenta color fabric. It's still the same mercury material, and we're using our ruler as usual, and the measurement of what I'm working with is 17 centimeter. And if you have not watched my other videos, you should please go and watch them. I have the one I've done in different sizes, so you can also watch and gain. Like and subscribe. Okay, so now I'm going to burn because it fails easily. So I'm going to burn and roughen. You can leave it straight if you don't want to roughen it, but well, I know you will agree at the end of the class that the roughened one is finer. If you want one-on-one classes, we are available at the shop at Surulere. So you are free to please walk in, join a physical class, and if it's still the other flower classes that you want, will let you know as the courses are coming out. The paid one are coming out. I think by now you have confidence in me that whatever I'm bringing out will be authentic. So now I've done this. What we're now going to do is fold this into two equal halves, then fold some forward, then fold the other one backwards like this. Then with my lighter, I burn to hold down. If you want to still use your pin, you can use it. Then I do it again, fold some forward and the other part backwards, making sure they are all equal. Then burn. Either you burn or you use your glue gun, but I won't suggest you use glue gun for this particular one. So using your needle and thread, I pass running stitch. Not running stitch, I'm going to pass the flower, the petals, through the needle, making sure that these are equal, not that one is in front and the other one. So now I'm having like 16 or 17 petals, which we will count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you use glue gun, you won't be able to pass it through like this. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes. Can you see how I've done everything? So you pass it through. You can use virtually any number you want. I've shown you how I've done a 4. I've shown you how I've done 8. I've shown you other measurements, but this is 16. Even if you want it to be 20, you can use 25, 30, any number you want, any size, any circle measurement. You are free to use anything. The most important thing is for you to achieve what you want to achieve. So now, what you're doing now is, can you see? This is the starting point and this is the ending. So I tighten. Can you see? You are going to tighten it, then tighten and like 2, 3 times, and you cut. Then what I do is you use maybe a tiny wording, and just for you to hold it first. It's just for the first holding, and you say what you've done. I hope you like it. Adjust. You need to adjust it. Continue adjusting, and can you see how puffy it looks? Can you see? You can put your you can use feathers, you can use anything. Can you see? If you did not, when I told you, when you were passing the needle, if you are not, if the passing of it is not equal, you won't get a nice finishing like this. That means some of the flowers will be puffing out, some will be inside. It won't rhyme just like this. So can you see this? It's really lovely. So let's put it on our Alice band. Of course, you can use any size of Alice band that you want. So I'm just going to use this big size and pass it inwards like we've been doing. Can you see? I hope you are enjoying the class. Please encourage me the more by you giving me a thumbs up, leave your comment, subscribe, send it, share it to other people, let other people see what we are doing, and don't keep it to yourself. Love is sharing, so please help me to share it, let people see it and benefit, and God will continue to bless us all. So just want to put this quickly. As we are sharing, you are helping me, encouraging me to do more. Thank you so much. Remember, the community is there. Telegram community, Simsworth Fascinator community is there. Please go and share. Go and share. Let, let me see what you've been doing. Oh, wow, this is lovely. You can put stones, you can See how it's bouncing, really bouncing. I hope you really enjoy it. Thank you for joining the class and God bless you. Real good.